Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. In this video, I will explain about how to move existsById method in Data JPA by using Mockito. In this video, technology is used Mockito for testing framework Data JPA to connect with database, and this is Spring Boot application. So let's get started. This is not a scratch video, it is continuation video of JUnit playlist. As of now, 13 videos are there. It is a 14 video of JUnit playlist. So first we need to know where this existsById method available in Data JPA repositories. So here our interface student repository extend JPA repository. Go inside JPA repository. Here outline. These are the methods are there, but here not available existsById. Go to list CRUD repository. Here also not available. Then go to CRUD repository. Here existsById available. It is written type boolean. So maximize. Let's develop the service class. Public return type is boolean. Student existsById, some method name. Then student repository dot student report dot two methods are C. existsById returns whether an entity with the given ID exists. If it exists, we will get the true, else we will get the false. It is expecting here our entity primary key or ID. It is long type, right? We need to pass here. So long ID. This is we need to give here ID semicolon. It will return boolean. So we can mention right response return response. So service class develop in service class student existsById method development done. So go to runner, command these two student service dot student existsById. See here in here student object set ID is there, right? Call this one student dot get ID semicolon. It will return boolean as response. Then control C. Let's verify in database 1003 record is there or not. SQL plus open SQL plus type username spot password tiger set pages 10000 semicolon set lines 10000 semicolon select star from student 1003 is available, right? Then we will get the response as true. I will show in both two scenarios, true and false. Next time I will again run. That time I will give not exist. I will give another ID, but that ID is not exist in database. Let's see where we will getting false or not. Here we are getting true, right? This is the true. So these are the 1000 to 1003 records are there, right? I will give in runner. I will provide like 99L. This record not exist. Why I am adding L means long. Long is expecting at L. So this record is not available in database. So then we will get false. So I am running this Spring Boot application. Let's check it is printing false or here we are getting the false. So Control Z. Now I will develop the test case for existsById. Go to student service test. We are mocking the repository. So service we are using inject mocks, or you can also use auto-wide class level annotated with at Spring Boot test. Here add public void as a return type. Public void test starts with test. So after that method name student existsById student exists by ID, annotate with at test, at test. Then we need to set expectations. Here, setting expectations. This is the post one. We need to setting expectations. Where Mo could write student report, then Mockito dot when student report dot student report dot exists by ID. Exists by ID available in current repository. Mockito dot here Mockito dot any you can mention the so see what is expecting boolean, right? Boolean dot class. So dot then return control space and save control S. Now it is not giving any suggestions. Then return. So let's restart this one. It is not giving any suggestions. So wait some time. It will be restart. Sometimes it will not give any suggestion. Then you can just restart it. Wait some time. It will be open again. It is open. So Mockito dot when student repository dot exist by ID control space. It is not giving any suggestion. Let's remove. Let's Mockito dot when student report dot exists by ID. We need to pass Mockito dot any class here. Boolean. It will return the Boolean. Boolean dot class dot then return here it will expect true or false. Then you can take Boolean function like response true. Pass the true here to controllers. See here actually see here we did mistake. The method exists by ID long in the current repository. So it is expecting not Boolean, it is a long. Now errors are gone. Right. Next, call the actual method. Actual method call. Mock is done. We need to call the actual method. So student service dot student exists by ID. This dot get student dot get ID. So it will return the Boolean actual. Then you can validate add some asset conditions here. See, I am copying this. Validating results. So this one, right? Add another asset condition. Accessions dot asset true. So we are expecting this result as a true. These are the two asset conditions. After that asset conditions, verify mock methods calling or not. So verify mock method is calling or not. student repo here existsById expecting the long this dot get student dot get ID. So this test case development was done. We are by mistakenly added here boolean, so we are getting the other. It is existsById parameter expecting the long as a parameter. See in service we are added long, but coming to here JUnit test cases, in the time of JUnit test cases we are added boolean, so we are getting the, it is not showing return then return. So after we realized that we need to use the long, not the boolean, so we have changed. This is the existsById. It is a parameter. It is expecting response as a boolean, right? This is the setting expectations for mocked classes. This is the student repo is the mocked one, right? After that actual method call, so we are getting the response. So after that we are validating the results. So we are expecting asset true, assertions not null, this boolean not null, and it is expecting this should be true. After that we are verifying this student repo is really calling existsById or not. We are checking. Let's run. This test case is executing as expected or not. Control S for save. Right click, run as JUnit. So if it is successfully executed, then we will get here green color, else then we will get red color into more. Tick mark means all test cases are successfully executed. Let's verify. So Spring Boot application is starting. See here we get the tick mark. That means all test cases are passed. As of now, 6 test cases I am developed. 6 test cases are working as expected. Next video, I will create a scenario to raise exception, and I will show how to write genuine test cases for exceptions. So in this video, we have successfully understand how to mock existsById method in Data JPA by using Mockito. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to this YouTube channel.